Today, I am reviewing HP 15.6-inch touchscreen business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 15.6-inch touchscreen business laptop is a machine designed for people who want reliable performance and enough power to handle multitasking with ease, but without paying the premium price tag of high-end business laptops. At the heart of this laptop is the Intel Core i3 processor from the 13th generation. It features 6 cores and 8 threads, with a maximum boost clock speed of up to 4.4 GHz. This gives you a smooth and responsive experience whether you're browsing, streaming, working on documents, or running multiple apps at the same time. While the Core i3 is often considered an entry-level processor in Intel's lineup, this particular configuration is tuned for efficiency and productivity. It delivers more than enough processing strength for students, office users, and everyday professionals. Combined with Intel UHD integrated graphics, the laptop is capable of handling video streaming in high quality, light content creation, and day-to-day business tasks without any lag. What sets this HP 15 apart from many laptops in the same range is its incredible memory and storage. It comes with a massive 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is far more than what you would find in most business laptops at this price point. With this much memory, you can have dozens of browser tabs open, run multiple applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even video conferencing apps like Zoom or Teams, all at once, without worrying about performance dips. For professionals and students who constantly multitask, this is a major advantage. Storage is equally impressive, with a 1 TB solid-state drive inside the laptop itself, paired with an additional 512 GB through the docking station that comes with the package. Altogether, you get 1.5 TB of fast, reliable storage, enough to hold countless files, videos, photos, and even large project datasets. The SSD ensures super-fast boot times, quick application launches, and smooth file transfers, while the docking station not only provides additional storage, but also helps expand connectivity, making the laptop even more versatile. The screen is a 15.6-inch LED touchscreen with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. While it is not a full HD display, it is still bright, vivid, and enjoyable for everyday use. The touchscreen functionality adds a lot of convenience, allowing you to swipe, scroll, and tap directly on the display. This is particularly helpful for presentations, browsing, or quickly navigating through documents. For users who like a more hands-on interaction with their laptop, this is a feature that makes a noticeable difference. The design of the laptop itself is sleek and professional with a silver finish that gives it a modern and stylish look. It is slim, lightweight enough to carry around, and built with practicality in mind. The full-size keyboard includes a numeric keypad, which is great for data entry, accounting, or working with spreadsheets. The touchpad is responsive, and the overall typing experience is comfortable for long sessions. HP has also included a privacy shutter for the webcam, an increasingly important feature for anyone concerned about online security and privacy. The laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro, which provides extra tools and features compared to the standard Windows 11 Home Edition. Windows 11 Pro enhances productivity with features like BitLocker for security, remote desktop access, and better performance optimization for business users. To make the package even more appealing, this HP 15 also comes with a lifetime license for Microsoft Office, so you have access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other essential apps right out of the box. For students, remote workers, and business professionals, this is a huge bonus since you don't need to pay for Office separately. Connectivity is well covered too. You get one USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI output for connecting to external monitors, and a headphone and microphone combo jack. Wireless performance is reliable with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, ensuring fast internet connections and smooth wireless device pairing. When it comes to portability, this laptop is designed to be practical without being bulky. Measuring less than an inch thick at 0.78 inches and weighing around 13 pounds, it is compact enough to slip into a backpack or a laptop bag for travel, commuting, or carrying to the office or school. The battery is efficient enough for daily use, so you can comfortably get through work sessions, online classes, or long browsing sessions without constantly reaching for the charger. With its sturdy build quality, this HP laptop is made to handle regular use, and the 1-year warranty included provides peace of mind for buyers. The HP 15.6-inch touchscreen business laptop is best suited for business professionals, office workers, students, and anyone who needs a dependable everyday laptop with plenty of speed.